Hi, my name's Tom and I'm one of the trainers here at Copters. Today I'll be running you through what to do if your PfCO has expired. The PfCO was the previous permission to fly commercially given by the CAA and was valid until the 31st of December 2020. Anyone with a valid PfCO will still be able to operate under its limitations and conditions and will be able to renew their permission as an operational authorization as of the 31st of December 2020 if the PfCO is renewed within its expiry date. If you've let your PfCO expire, you will not be able to renew it and instead will have to complete a GVC conversion course with an RAE in order to apply with your operations manual to the CAA to get permission to fly within the specific category. If you want to fly in the specific category without having to retrain and redo the competency assessments, you'll have to make sure your operations manual is up to date and it is in line with any changes outlined by the CAA before you submit. If you are a current PfCO holder or a previous PfCO holder who's let your permission expire, then we can offer you a conversion course for the GVC. The GVC conversion course will allow you to convert your NQE certificates into a GVC without having to complete another flight assessment. To qualify for this, you must have a flight assessment certificate, a theory assessment certificate, and also a letter of recommendation. All of these must be from Copters or another recognised assessment entity, and the letter of recommendation must be from an NQE. We'd also ideally like you to have flight logs showing 6 hours of flight time in the previous 6 months and at least 2 hours within the previous 3 months on the date of your application. If you're not sure that you qualify, please feel free to get in contact with us at sales@copters.com or click the link below. And if you don't, we'll be able to offer you the full GVC course as well.